Would you just turn my key while I hold this down? Ma'am, would you mind trying to start my car for me real quick? It's just been stalled. Don't start yet. Hold on, just been stalling all day.
Hey, what are you doing in my car?
He told me to just get in here and try to start it for him.
Who told you?
The guy that just left.
Hey, man, I don't know what to think. I come outside, you're sitting in my car.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was because he asked me to help him start it.
No, this is my car.
Oh.
Yeah, I come out and she's stealing my car. I go in, I come out and she's sitting in my car.
No, some guy asked me to start.
That tall, skinny guy that just took off running that way?
I had the hood up my way and pay for gas. I come out and you're in the car. Don't take off. Hold on.
Hey, he did ask me to start his car.
I'm
I
going to have
swear.
to call the police. I don't know what else to do. I'm sorry.
Are you kidding me?
Hey, do me a favor. Make sure there's no water coming out. I blew a head gasket. Make sure there's... would you tell me if there's any water coming out my tailpipe?
Hey! 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 That's my car. What just happened?
You had the hood open.
Well, I come out and I saw you getting out of my car and he took off.
No, he,
Would you hotwire it?
no, I just turned the keys on it.
That's him there?
Yes.
Behind all those cameras?
Huh?
Behind all the cameras in the van?
Oh, my God.